Animals are surrounding me.
Rescue team is here! Help!
Oh, hurry, they're breaking my car.
Bye, have a great time!
I need to build a zoo.
Let's go!
Five minutes later. Hey! What happened?
I need to build a zoo.
Okay, we will help you.
Bing bang!
Hey! The next day.
I'll transport the trees.
I'll load the grass.
Is everyone ready?
Let's go!
Hey!
Yo, 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 yo!
Here come the trees.
Dumping the grass now.
Here we go!
Yo, 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 yo!
Okay, here goes.
Time for a special meal. Building a zoo keeps animals safe and happy.
This planet is so cool.
Oh my God! What happened? Help me! Wait. Help!
Much later.
What happened?
Something big just happened. Team, get ready. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform! Transform!
Transform!
Hey! Oh my gosh! Help me, please. There's a UFO here. I will help you. Water blast, go.
Yo, 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 yo!
Hang on, I'll lift you up.
Hooray! Oh yeah!
Hey guys! Let me help you.
Thank you, my friend.
Come on, come on!
Yeah!
It's action time. I come here. I'll flatten the road. Oh, not flying yet.
Hey! Hop on! Let's try together! Let's go!
Yay, I did it!
That's amazing. Have a fun trip around Earth.
Thank you guys so much.
Bye, have a great time.
Must survey the site.
Hey! What are you calling me for?
You and I check the site carefully so the vehicles can start working.
Don't worry, I always do well.
Remember to check carefully.
Hey!
Hey, what happened?
Okay already! Whoa! This policeman is really talkative. Probably someone poured sand in. Nothing to check. What's wrong?
Five minutes later.
It sounded like Red was screaming.
Let's go see what's going on. He is at the construction site today.
Let's go!
Hello, cutie pie.
Oh my god, please save him.
Calm down. We need to handle the monster to save him. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Hey!
Red, use your power.
Right? I have power.
Transform!
Monster, you can't hurt my friend.
So what was that?
Take now!
Come on!
I am the one who caused this. I have to take responsibility for this. Water blast, go!
Oh my God!
Hurry up and dig a hole for it. I can't last long.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
Hooray! A few minutes later.
Please check carefully everything next time.
I won't let this happen again. Be responsible for the work you undertake.
Oh my God!
So messy, let me clean it up. I've got an idea. Transform!
Oh yeah!
Okay, here we go.
Yo, 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 yo.
Hey!
Come on! Go! 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 Help me!
Meanwhile.
Help me, I'm stuck in the forest.
We have to save him right now. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Come on, come on!
Let's go!
5 minutes later.
There you are, please help me.
Don't worry, let me pull you up.
Whoa! Come on, you can do it! Go! 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 Go!
Let's do it together.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but there's so much trash here.
Come on, we'll help you clean the whole forest.
I'm ready.
Thank you.
Yo, 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 yo.
Hey!
Let me fill it up before someone falls again. Haha, we can fill this hole easily.
Ten years later.
Let me smooth the way. All done. The forest looks so clean.
Let's keep our world clean like this together.
Let's go!
Hey!
Oh yeah!
Hey, remember to subscribe to the channel below. Hello.
The truck lifts its bed and pours all the Lego pieces onto the ground.
Wow, amazing.
Look, a Lego house appears instantly.
Bye-bye. At home is better sleeping. Hello.
Up above, suddenly the helicopter drops a giant coconut down.
Oh no, what's going on? My house? Oh my god. I lost my house?
The off-road car escapes and cries for help. Always remember to stay alert.
Yeah, haha, it's a beautiful day.
Over here, the construction vehicles are busy working together.
Help me. Help my house. What happened? I lost my house. Calm down. We will help you. Have job for you. Just build a house.
Okay!
That's so great. Amazing!
Okay!
All the construction vehicles are ready to come to the rescue.
Let's go. Go! We come here.
Here they come. Trucks with sand and bricks, cranes, rollers, and mixers.
Let me clean.
First, the crane clears away all the fallen Lego pieces.
Let me fill the hole for safety.
Next, the dump truck fills the hole with fresh sand.
Okay!
Flat road.
The road roller smooths the sand. Teamwork makes every step faster.
Okay!
Cement will make the house more solid.
The cement mixer pours concrete onto the base.
Okay!
It's fun to work.
Another smooth pass from the roller, perfectly flat.
Bricks come here.
Bricks are stacked neatly to build a strong new wall.
Wow, great. Almost done. Oh my God, so beautiful. The roof of the sun shields the rain. Your house is beautiful.
Ta-da! The house is complete, stronger than before.
Thank you so much.
Okay!
Bye-bye.
Together we can rebuild anything. Teamwork always wins. The sky turns dark and stormy. A big storm is coming.
Oh my god. Hurry up, hurry up.
Oh no! A big gust of wind blew McQueen up into the tree.
Oh no! Oh no!
Look! The floodwaters are rising, and the truck is being swept backward, even though the hands are pulling with all their might. Strong houses are needed to withstand disasters.
Help! Help me! Help! Help me!
Oh my god. What's happened?
The crane truck hears the cries and rolls in to help.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
The trucks are rescued one by the crane.
Hey, we need a house to avoid floods.
Good idea. I can help.
Okay, let's go. Hey, hello.
What happened? We need to build a house. Okay, I will help.
They are going to gather materials to build a storm-proof house.
Wow!
Everyone seems very happy and excited to do this.
Yeah!
At the site, the crane digs deep and lays the foundation. A strong foundation is key to safety. Cement pillars are lowered carefully into the ground. The roller smooths it out, flat and perfect. Snap! Ta-da! The new house is complete.
No matter how difficult it is, just unite to overcome.
Oh no! The monster truck is scattering nails on the road. He's covering them with sand. This is dangerous. Always watch for hidden hazards on the road. Here comes the truck, happily driving along, unaware of the danger ahead. Oh my God! The truck ran over a nail. The tire burst, swerved, and then crashed into a tree. Always drive carefully and stay alert.
There, help me.
What's going on? OMG, that's terrible. I'll run to find a support vehicle. I need your help. A car ran over some nails and got into an accident. Truck, bring along spare tires for replacement. You guys gather the nails and fix the road, okay?
Okay, let's go.
We need a rescue team. Let's fix the road and help the truck.
OMG, this is terrible.
Wow, so many tires. How do we know which one fits the truck?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I'll go catch him. You guys help fix the road, all right?
Look, the crane is carefully picking up the nails to prevent them from harming others. They start laying down fresh sand to rebuild the road.
Yay, this is amazing.
Oh no! Here's the troublemaker again! Is he planning to scatter nails again?
Do not play harmful tricks to hurt others.
I'm sorry.